everyone, it's Brittany. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am unboxing the FabFitFun 2020 Winter box, and I'm partnering with them again in this video. If you've been watching my videos for a long time, you know that I have been partnering with them for years. They're my favorite subscription box service. I can't wait to show you what I picked for the 2020 Winter box. It's so good. In case you're not familiar with FabFitFun, they are a seasonal subscription box service, so they come 4 times a year with full-size products like beauty products, wellness, fitness, health, and it retails for $49.99 or for $10 off with my code BRITP. So if you've never purchased a FabFitFun box before, you can get your first one for $39.99 with that code. And each of the boxes are valued at over $200, which is obviously so good. And a lot of the times, just one of the products inside will be worth more than what you pay for the entire box. If you do decide to become a FabFitFun member, you do get early access to flash sales. You also get access to FabFitFun TV with fitness videos and cooking videos. You'll also be able to customize a lot of the products inside each of the seasonal boxes, so I will show you guys what I customized in mine. Before we get started with this video, I wanted to let you know that we're doing a giveaway in this video too. It will be for a FabFitFun box next season, so I will have all of the information about that in the description box below. So check it out, make sure you enter, and it'll be really awesome to get a spring FabFitFun box. So if you want to see what I got in my FabFitFun 2020 Winter box, then just keep watching. You'll always get a FabFitFun magazine in each of the boxes. These will talk a little bit about the companies or organizations they've partnered with for this season, as well as some information about the products that you'll get in the box. And this season, they're actually partnering with Stand Up to Cancer, which is an incredible organization, and I think it's amazing, especially with the pandemic going on. It does talk a little bit about how the pandemic has affected cancer care, and I also think that these are really fun to have, especially during these times, because it makes the seasons a little bit extra special to be able to pamper yourself with whatever you get inside the boxes. That's why I've just been loving them even more this year. One of the first things that I customized in the FabFitFun Winter 2020 box is this set of champagne flutes. It's from Bombshb. I hope I said that right. It's these Sloan champagne flutes, and I'm like a real sucker for cute drinking glasses for some reason. This set of 4 champagne flutes is valued at $51. Look at how cute they look. They're so fancy. I think they're so cool looking. I don't have anything like this at all. I can't wait to have people over again and we can have a little girls' night and drink some champagne out of these cute champagne flutes. But until then, I will be drinking out of these by myself. Next, I got the Vior Rhythm of the Rain hair mask and scalp detox. This is a brand that I hadn't really heard much of before, but I researched it, and it is actually certified cruelty-free by the Leaping Bunny program. The mask itself smells so good and fresh. I see why they call it Rhythm of the Rain, because it has that fresh rain clean smell to it. It's very relaxing and refreshing, and I'm excited to use it because my scalp is always so dry, so the fact that it said scalp detox, I was like, yes, I definitely need to try this. It has natural botanicals that restore scalp health and replenish moisture for shining hair that's supplely soft, strong, and hydrated to perfection. And this Vior mask retails for $28. Keep trying to move my sweatshirt so it sits in a flattering way, but it's really hard. I also decided to choose this product from Ilia. It is a newer brand to me that I started trying out different things from. It's a more natural, obviously cruelty-free brand, so I saw that they had this as an option, and I was really excited to try it out because I don't have a lot of the more natural mascaras. This is the Ilia Limitless Lash Mascara with organic shea butter and arginine. This is a clean, buildable, lengthening mascara. It's lightweight, flake-free, and it's made with natural waxes, shea butter, and arginine to fortify lashes and weightlessly condition. And it's a dual-sided brush that allows you to define, lift, and separate with precision. It's a plastic wand as well, which is really nice. I think that these types of wands are so good for lengthening your lashes, and I don't know if you can tell on the camera, but it has 2 different spacing between the bristles, which is why I guess it says that it's dual-sided. One of them kind of has like an hourglass shape and the other has just a straight out bristles for lengthening. So I think that'll be really interesting to try. I'm very excited to try this one out. And this mascara retails for $28. Next is a little card wallet, which is awesome. I always ask for gift cards for Christmas and birthdays, and I never have things to keep them in my purse. And this is really good because it's super thin, so it's not going to take up a lot of room. So this is below the belt. It is a faux croc design. And my favorite part of this is it has a little zip compartment in the back for storing change. It has a spot on the top as well as two little pockets on the side for different cards. This is also so easy if you want to go out somewhere and not bring your purse and you just want to bring like some change, maybe a little bit of cash and like your driver's license and credit card, and then just bring your phone. It's so easy. I love doing that too. And this below the belt faux croc card case retails for $35. The next thing I'm really excited about in this box is the Impressions Vanity Touch Highlight LED Makeup Mirror. I love these types of mirrors so much. They're great for putting your makeup on at home, but they're also really great for traveling. The mirror itself is so crisp and clear, and it lights up. I also really like it because you can detach it, so it is really easy to lay flat if you are traveling with this mirror, but obviously it will sit perfectly on your desk or vanity. It moves to really good angles as well. Like, this is so nice, and I'm so excited that this was an option in this box. I seriously, like, I'm obsessed with this. This Impressions Vanity LED mirror retails for $45. The next thing I customized in this box is the Daily Concepts Dry Brush for Radiant Looking Skin. I really like these brushes for either cleansing your skin or for exfoliating your skin. This one in particular is for exfoliating your skin because you do use it on dry skin. This also can be used to stimulate lymphatic pathways and to encourage draining, but this should be used on a dry, clean face. This is what it looks like. You can hang it on something like in your room if you wanted to. I just wouldn't hang it in the shower because it can't get wet. The bristles are actually very soft, but they still have like a density to them, which will be really good for gently exfoliating. This Daily Concepts Daily Facial Dry Brush retails for $20. There's two more products left in the winter 2020 box. The next one is from DP Hue. This is the ACV Apple Cider Vinegar Dry Shampoo Powder. It has been known for a while that apple cider vinegar is very, very good for your scalp and your hair, so I thought that this would be a really cool product to try out. Since I do talk about my scalp being pretty flaky and just not in great shape a lot of the time, I thought this would be nice to kind of help detoxify. On the back, this says a gentle dry shampoo powder that helps absorb oil and impurities, refreshes your style quickly, and adds a touch of lift and texture. It actually smells so good. It has a nice, clean, like shampoo smell to it. Ooh, ooh, that feels so nice. It's free of parabens, sulfates, silicone, and alcohol. This DP Hue Apple Cider Vinegar Dry Shampoo Powder retails for $24. The very last thing in the FabFitFun Winter 2020 box is an eyeliner. This is from the brand Aesthetica. It is a black liquid eyeliner, and it is also certified cruelty-free. That is super opaque. The little FabFitFun magazine says that it is a high-impact liquid eyeliner that glides on easily and stays on for hours. This Aesthetica liquid eyeliner retails for $21. And that is everything in my FabFitFun 2020 winter box. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you want to see more of the FabFitFun unboxing videos. I seriously love doing them. It's so much fun to see what comes every single season. If you do not have a membership to FabFitFun and you've never purchased one of their boxes before, definitely check it out. I will have the link in the description box below, as well as my discount code, which is BrittP, and you can get $10 off your first subscription box from FabFitFun. Also, make sure you check out the giveaway rules in the description box below and enter to win a FabFitFun box for next season. So I hope you're all having an amazing day. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!